Ahoy Mateys, Dede here. I'm hosting Heart and Hustle's solo RPG, ttRPG solo sessions, and I'm using a mashup of Cairn and the Perplexing Ruins single sheet dungeon and overland. So I use the oracle from the overland and the dungeon from the single sheets. So we are in day 2, and this is for zone 5, which is this 4-way intersection. So we have this intersection, and in this intersection we have a T3 or tier 3 mob, 2 packs of 4 spinners. Spinners have 2 attack types. They have bites and webs. Hit damage of 3 and armor class 13. So they're a little beefy. So I've got a set, a combat dice set here. So I have, my character has a melee axe. I'm rolling a 1d8. I have a +1 because I'm now level 2, and I have for day 2, which is today, a +1 on melee. And my spiked boots, they're a lower half armor +1. My spiked boots, I have 4 attacks. I have multiple attacks in melee, and I have an AoE spin on the axe and the boots. So the boots are +1/+1 on a d4. So we've got d4, this d4, and d8 for the axe, this d8. These are my Dex check. So my Dex is 10, which is higher than average, and I'm going to roll a d12, 9 or greater, and I have a skill to reflect damage. So 9 or greater, I reflect the mob's d6 damage. And if I roll 7 to 9 for a dodge skill, I use this percentage d10 and take a percent of the damage. I'm able to dodge a percentage of the damage, either way you say it. So we first roll the Dex check every time. And so the bite is even and the web is odd if we end up taking damage. There are different conditions to deal with that. Okay, hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. There's 2 packs of 4. That means we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I currently have 7 HP. I haven't taken a rest all day. I'm looking for another D8. Okay, I'm going to use this D12 as my D8. I'll set my counter up starting at 8 because there are 8 mobs. So that's my mob counter. That's my health counter. My journal is over here. So we're going to roll my Dex check on day 2 and we're in zone 5. So Dex check is 2. So I don't have reflect or dodge, so we're in straight combat. I don't need the percentage die. So set those to the side. Got the mob on the d6 and my melee spin combo. Okay, the mob on d6 is 3. Equals 3. That's good for me. And we've got a d8 at 7 and a d4 at 2. So this gets redundant, but it's how I remember with my brain injury. So I've got d4 plus d8 plus 4 because I have +1/+1 on each melee attack. So d4 is 2, d8 is 7 plus 4, so that's 13 to 3. I have no dodge or reflect, so d3, I'm just going to dominate and wipe it off. So that spinner is dead. 1 dead spinner. 1 of 8 down. Okay. Those are cleared. We're going to roll 1 dead spinner. We change our counter to 7. Dex check. 11. So 11, 9 or greater, that means I have reflect. So in rolling this Dex check, I have to roll the Dex check and the percentage before the 6 is rolled. I don't need this because we got reflect. We don't need dodge percentage. And we're going to roll our combat. Okay, we have D1. So we have 1 for the mob. D6 equals 1. This is going to be a quick match. I like it. And we have D4 2, D8 8. So we have D4 is 2 plus 8 plus 4. So that's 14. And we have reflect, so 1. And we have the armor class is 13. So if the armor class is 13 and we rolled a 13, that's why it died. And we have 14 plus reflect. So we reflect this back. So that's 13 equals minus 1 equals 12. Minus 14 equals dead. 2 dead spinner. Clear the combat. Roll to a 6. And we got 9 or greater, so we've got reflect going on. Don't need percentage for dodge. Combat. D4. Or 4 on D6. D4 of 2 and D8, 7 of 8. Words hard. Okay, so 4. And it's reflected back, so we take 13 minus 4. It gives us 9. And we have 2 plus 7 plus 4, so we have 13. So 13 trumps 9. So we have 3 dead spinner. I am totally enjoying. I played this combo in zone 3. In zone 4. I'm enjoying this. It's a little OP'd, but I'm okay with that because I really suffered due to my design in zone 2. Okay. We have 4 of 12. We have no reflect or dodge. Straight combat. Die. We have D6 at 5. We have D4 at 1 and D3. So we have D6 equals 5. And we have 1 plus 3 plus 4. So I have 7. 8. I have 8. So 8 trumps 5. And we go to the AC equals 13. And we go minus 8. And that leaves 5 left. So this spinner lives to fight the second day. Okay, we're going to roll D12 for Dex Check. We rolled a Dex of 1. That's no special Dex skills. Straight combat. 1, 7, 4. So we had D6 of 1 versus D4 4 plus 2, 3, 7. Or 7, 4 and 7 is 11 plus 4 is 15. And 15 trumps 5, which is what was left. So we have 4 dead spinner. So that means we had 2 packs of 4. So we've killed half the mobs. Taking no additional damage. We still have that 7 HP. Okay. Counters, there's 4 mobs left. We got a 9, so 9 or greater. So we have reflect. And that applies to the combat D6. We got 5. D6 equals 5. And we got a D8 of 8 and a D4 of 4. So my natural combat is maxed. So it's tap capped. 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 4 is 16. Versus 5. So 16 destroys the 5. Plus the 5 has a reflect. So we have 13 minus 5 equals 8. Minus 16 equals 5 dead spinner. Pull the combat. Dex check. We'll pull the 6. Dex check. No skills. Straight combat. D6 of 1. D8 of 7. D4 of 2. So straight combat. So we have this one doesn't keep us from anything. We have 7, 8, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. And the AC for the spinners are AC 13 minus 13 is 6 dead spinner. Okay, we're going to pull the combat. We're going to do a Dex check. We rolled 11, so we have a reflect. Now with the reflect, we're going to roll the combat portion. We got 3, we have a 7, we have a 3. So the 3 is instantly reflected. Bing! So that gives us 13 minus 3 equals 10, duh. And we have 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 4, 14. 10 minus 14 is 7 dead spinner. And we have 8 total spinners. So this is our final spinner in this room. I love this combo, but it is overpowered. But I'm going to go with it because I want to see where this takes me and see if it can defeat the boss. Okay, we got a D12 with a 12, so we got Dex Reflex. And rolling combat. So 6. If we were going to take a hit, which we're not, we have a D1, D8 with a 1, and D4 with a 2. But the first instant fire, so this would have been a even bite attack, but this 6 reflects back. So we have 13 minus 6, and then we have 6. We have 2, 3 plus 4 is 7, 6 minus 7. We have a dead spinner. Okay. We're going to set our combat kit to the side, and I'm going to set up another page here. So we got Zone 5. Day 2, Zone 5. We have a loot check to perform on 8 mobs. We have a door check to perform. So to the south of the intersection, we have a door check before we head into this zigzag section. Loot check, door check. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's for the loot check. We have the door to the south, so south door check. Okay. We can pull the D8 counter because we killed all those mobs. And we've got the corpse. Loot the corpse. This is not ground loot. It's on the corpse, so you have to investigate each corpse. And those are D6s. 1, 2, 3. So there are 8 corpses. I'm going to roll 4 D6s twice. 2 times. First pack. We got a 6. We have a 4. We have a 5. And a 6. So what those 4 numbers equal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 throws on this table, 1 on this table, 1 on this table. Okay. So 2 on 6. 2 on 6. So we have item 2 and item 4. Item 2 is trowel, a tool. And item 4 is a hammer. Hammer I keep and sell so far. And we're going to roll table 4 and 5. Table 4, we pulled a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got matches. Might be handy. They're certainly not burdensome. And table 5, we got a 3. 1, 2, 3. We got a belt buckle. Not great. I have some things I wouldn't mind getting, like wand, or a ring, or a hat, gems, keys, gold, silver. Okay, first step, we roll which of the tables we're going to pull from the 1 through 6. Come back. We have 1, 4, 6, 5. And we're doing the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to run table 1. And that's item 4 is twine. Table 4, item 1, matches again. Table 5, item 5. Table 5, item 5 is a wrench. New to me. I don't even know if that's sellable. And number 6. We pulled a 6 out of 6. We got a ring. Winner! Ring my bell. So that is our loot check. We also have a, what do I call it? I have to look. To keep consistently. So we run a final explore also. We have door check and a final explore. I want to make sure I remember. Okay, we're doing south door. South door. South door And where is our table? We're doing an explore or investigate, call it whatever you want. South door check. We rolled a 6, there's danger. D6 equals danger. We look at the tables and we go, danger, what kind? Roll. Oh, no. Way to go. Spicy dice. Ah, found it. Okay, we got spicy dice back in control. We're rolling to see what danger is being picked up. Danger number 2, there's a trap. Okay, so we've got a trap. So there is a table for dangers and a trap set. So we're going to roll what kind of trap is on the south door of our Zone 5 4-way intersection. And it's number 6. Acid trap, which kind of makes sense. We've got an acid trap and we're in a dungeon of spiders. So we've got acid. We're going to do a check on the status of the door. Locked, unlocked. 6. Okay. The door is trapped. Literally. It's interesting how random coincidences happen. So we could run descriptions. Since it's a chemical trap or mechanical trap, I don't need to roll about monsters. But what do I want to roll? Okay. So in my play kit for this dungeon, I have my wolf spirit, which is increased awareness. I haven't needed to use that yet. I have my portable Cliff Bar, my peanut butter and jelly. I have my treasure chest nut to upgrade a chest. Haven't found a chest yet. Got my lucky acorn. And I have my wit sharpener. It's a pun. Okay, so Zone 5. Let's see if I can find anything in Cairn to give me some inspiration right now. Abilities, saves, armor, healing, morale. So, Dex can give me poise, speed, reflexes, dodging, climbing, sneaking, and balancing. Willpower give me saves for persuasion, deception, interrogation, intimidation, charm, provoke, manipulate. So, we know the door is acid. Strength gives us resisting poison, but acid is a different thing. Doesn't seem like our main abilities can help us. Let's look at what I have in my pack. Rations, a torch, crossbow, that's stored. I don't see anything that's obvious to my brain. Actions. Don't have any spells. Attacking or move. Doesn't help me there. I need to get through this door. I might have to roll a save. Because there's no way around it. I can't go around. Bear with me. I'm just reading. I'm not fatigued. I'm healthy. I have potions. And I could run tables on those potions to figure out what the potions are. I haven't created the potion table yet, because there isn't one for these two sets. So do I need Tums? It's a joke. So I can roll an oracle to find out if I can get through the door with the Asus. Or I can take the rest. So I don't have any obvious there. Set those to the side for right now. So I'm going to run an oracle. Okay. An oracle. It's a D6. And my question is, the door is trapped with acid. Can I slip through door? We got a 4. And a moderate yes. So I'm going to open the door. And I'm going to roll the reaction table. This one. I got a 4. And that's hostile. Open door is hostile. And move final explore. So it is hostile. Moderate yes, that I can slip through the door. I'm gonna roll a Dex check. And we got a 4. So that's not very good. So moderate yes becomes just meh. So what happens? So I'm going to flip this and look at the encounters to see if there's one I can use about acid. We've got blood, healing. We have is rigged with a trap, has purse with 20 coins, magical cloak. Centipedes. Adventurers, I think tier 1, no. Okay, so this is a Lefty Crawly, meaning I hug the left wall. So I'm going to, the doorway is hostile with acid, and I can slip through it. 9 or better on Dex Check. Can I avoid the acid hugging left wall? As I come through, so I'm coming down, so the left wall is this way. We got a 10, so that's going to be a yes. Yes, I can avoid the acid hug left wall. There we go. Tied the dungeon title into this trap. I like that. I can write about that. And oh, I lost my 7. Put that back up. I didn't get hurt. So now we're going to take a break to rest, and we're going to fuel up to 8. And we're going to be back with a new session with day 2. Be happy and healthy. Learn something new every single day. That trap threw my creativity out. It surprised me. Ciao for now.